Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Yuvraj Mali Official. In this video I will be showing you how to recover unallocated space of drive in and how to add them together. Let's get started. First you have to open disk management. If you are using Windows 8 you can open it from here, like disk management here, while if you're using Windows 10 you can open run box and write this, and this disk management window will pop up like this. And after, like, I have it will show you many drives, and here I want to remove this drive and want to add this GB 97.66 GB into this one E drive, sorry, F drive, and let's do it. First you have to right click on it and you have to click delete volume, and yes, here it's saying that your data will be deleted. If you have any data in this drive, please backup it, and then click yes, and it will create unallocated space. Now I have to just click right on it, on drive which I want to extend. Here extend volume, then click next, and here you can see I have one lakh MB space available, so I can click on next and finish. And that's it guys, it's added to this F drive, and you can do it many times as you want. And thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. Thank you.